For most people, getting up close and personal with roundworms is far from desirable. But what these worm repudiators don't realize is they could one day be the recipients of treatment derived from roundworm research. Professor Frank Schroeder is a chemical biologist at the Boyce Thompson Institute, where he spends his days doing innovative research on the roundworm species C. elegans. Turns out, you and these little worms have a lot in common.
C. elegans, although they're tiny little worms, they're extremely well understood. Their biology is really well understood, and it has turned out that much of their biology directly relates to human biology and also human disease.
The worms provide the model for Frank's research, but the insights gained serve a much higher purpose.
A lot of people don't realize how little we really know about the chemistry of life. For example, if you go on a trip and you're about to go through security at the airport, the transportation security official may ask you whether you're bringing any unknown, perhaps dangerous chemicals on board. You say no. But in fact, you're about to bring 50,000 unknown chemicals on board, and some of those may have a very profound biological activity. And that is something most people don't appreciate. They think, oh yeah, the chemistry of living organisms, that's all solved. But that's not correct.
By diving deep into the chemistry of the roundworm, the Schroeder Lab can learn more about how molecules communicate, and that could be the key to unlocking treatments for humans.
Many physiological pathways depend on signaling molecules that originate from biosynthetic pathways that have been neglected or are perhaps entirely unknown. Basically, we don't even know what we consist of. So if we want to understand the basis of human disease, of human aging, we have to look at the chemical makeup of ourselves.
The Schroeder Lab's work recently received an impressive endorsement when Frank was named a Howard Hughes Medical Institute Faculty Scholar, a distinction given to only 84 scientists in the whole country.
It's very hard to say what convinces an organization to confer a very prestigious award, but I think what we're trying to do, or the way that we're trying to differentiate ourselves, is that we try to look at the chemistry and the biology. And that is why we work on C. elegans as a model system, because this model system allows us to do just that, associate compounds that we identify with the biological content.
In addition to HHMI, the Scholars Program is also backed by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation as well as the Simons Foundation. Each of these distinguished organizations have recognized the potential and importance of Frank's research.
Gates Foundation, of course, has provided very generous support for many applied projects, but now they also give to basic science. We have to keep funding for basic research going. I think what is great about this award is that it really encourages discovery, that it encourages basic science, and that's important today because many funders focus on applications. So it is much easier to get money for very application-oriented research than it is to get money for basic research. It's also important to stimulate excitement for discovery. That is something that I feel is very, very important. Also for us as teachers, to make sure our students understand how exciting it can be to find entirely new aspects, to uncover new aspects of biology and chemistry that no one has ever anticipated.